So, simplify 7 squared minus 15 plus 40 minus 25 divided by 5. So, pag ganitong problem, numerical expression, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses. So for 7 squared, that is 49. 7 squared is 7 times 7 plus 40 minus 25 is 15. Right? So, divided by 5. Then, meron pang parentheses. Unahin natin to. So, that is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 34. Right? So, rewrite again. 15 divided by 5. So, 34 plus 15 divided by 5. Pag may ganyan, plus tsaka division and addition, unahin natin ang division. Right? So, 34 plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. Right? Then, 34 plus 3 is 37. So, final answer is 37. Right, so recap, unahin natin ang nasa loob ng parentheses. Then, sa loob ng parentheses, dito merong exponent. So, 7 squared is 49 minus 15. Then, itong 40 minus 25 is 15. Then, again, meron pang parentheses, 49 minus 15. So, that is 34 plus 15 divided by 5. Then, addition, tsaka division. Unahin natin ang division. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then, 34 plus 3 is 37. Alright. Thank you so much.